Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Cake Your Food Lab. First, gather all your essential ingredients and equipment. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your two 8-inch cake pans by greasing and flouring them thoroughly. This crucial step ensures your delicious cakes won't stick. Having everything ready before you start mixing makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable for your baking experiment. Now, let's focus on mixing. Measure your dry ingredients precisely. This is key for consistent texture. In a separate bowl, combine all your wet ingredients thoroughly. Then, gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, mixing gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake, so aim for about 2 minutes of mixing. This careful approach helps create a tender crumb. It's time to bake. Pour your batter evenly into the prepared pans. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their pans for 10 minutes before inverting them onto a wire rack. Cooling completely prevents crumbling when frosting. Now for the fun part, analysis. Taste your cake, observe its texture, and note its appearance. Did it rise evenly? Is it moist and tender? Use these observations to refine your recipe. Perhaps adjust the amount of leavening or the mixing time next time. Every bake is a chance to learn and improve your skills. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going in your kitchen adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.